Hello guys, here is Naman and welcome to today's vlog. And I know I have been delaying this vlog for quite some time, but yes, I am finally back and I'll be trying my best to stay consistent with my vlogs from now on. So in today's video, I am going to show you a glimpse into my daily routine as an international student living in the UK. Life abroad can be exciting and challenging and emotional too. So let's start the day. Usually I wake up around 8:30 in the morning. The first thing I do after getting out my bed is to tidy up my space. That's really important as like for me. I make my bed properly, clean my room and I keep everything in its place. I like to start my day in clean and organized in an environment. After that, I head to my shower to freshen up. Once I am done, I open my laptop and check my mails. This is something I always make sure to do in the morning, as I don't want to miss any important university updates, job notifications, or other opportunities that might pop up overnight. And that's how my morning began as an international student here in the UK, starting from checking my YouTube analytics. After that, going with analytics that have how I am getting my response from my viewers, then going to my LE page, that's and my university page, checking all my schedule. After finishing my cleaning and checking up my mails, it's time for one of the most important part of my day, that is my prayer. This is something I do every single day without fail. I start by taking shower to freshen up and then I spend some quiet time meditating and praying to Lord Ganesha. After my prayers, I like to chant a few mantras. This really helps me to start the day with a good energy and a clear mind. Once I am done with that, I move on to planning my day. I am the kind of person who loves to write down things, whether it task, reminders or goal for the day. It's really helped that if you note down the things, it will show you and you are gonna do that thing. It will make you organized and make sure I don't forget anything important. And then comes one of my favorite little rituals, making my tea. I love preparing a warm cup of tea and enjoying the peaceful morning view from my window. There's a school nearby, so every morning I can hear the sounds of children playing and laughing. It's such a beautiful, natural background sound. It gives me a sense of home and warmth even though I'm far away. After enjoying my tea and a bit of calm time, it's time to start preparing for my university. This routine gives my the day the perfect start, because after coming into the kitchen, first of all it's to just make a tea and think like what to be made an entire day. So today I'm preparing pasta and some noodles, like a combination, so it will be better for me to go and take a tiffin to the university itself. So after finishing my morning routine, it's time for a proper brunch. This is usually when I sit down and talk with my mom. No matter how busy my day gets, this little conversation always gives me comfort and motivation. Once I'm done eating and catching up with my family, I start packing my bag for university. Today I have one lecture and one seminar, so it's going to be a pretty full day. I always make sure to carry with my tiffin with me because I'm a pure vegan. I don't usually eat outside. After packing everything I need, it's time to head out. I usually have two options to get to the university. So right now I'm going to university and I have two lectures, one lecture and one seminar. So like यूनिवर्सिटी इतनी बड़ी है ना, एक मुझे है ना अलग अलग लेक्चर्स के लिए है ना अलग अलग लोकेशंस पे जाना पड़ता है, और ये है ना एक हिल पे बना हुआ है, लाइक थोड़ा सा क्लाइंबिंग करना पड़ता है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट है. चलो मैं आपको आज यूनिवर्सिटी एक्सप्लोर कराता हूँ. लेट्स गो. Right now I am walking to my university's main head campus, the forum, which is one of the main reasons that I love to walk to the uni. It keeps me calm, motivated and gives me some quiet time to think about my day. Today I have my environmental analytics lecture, which is 2-hour class. My university is quite big with different buildings for different courses and lectures. Sometimes the classes are scheduled in various buildings across the campus, so we have to walk a lot, but honestly that's something I really enjoy. The campus is spacious and peaceful and it's perfect for environment for studying. During my environmental analytics lecture, I also work on the same of my sub-course tasks like coding and learning different programming languages, which makes the session even more interesting. After finishing my classes, so after completing my environmental analytics lecture, I was just looking for my university and it's really very calm. The roads are very beautiful. By just walking by to my second seminar, so it's really important to know where I have to go. So this is the building, that's a different building, and I completed my seminar. And that's the university student accommodations that are provided by university accommodations. After doing this, I was really walking and enjoy the moment because it was the time of evening. And yes, but so guys, time is around 4:41 and I completed with one lecture and one seminar. दोनों हो गए. अभी usually क्या हो रहा है, second term end होने आ रहा है, तो lectures rarely हैं. Just I'm going for a normal walk. एक नॉर्मल वॉक के लिए जा रहा हूँ, उसके बाद में आके डिनर करना है और फिर वापस से पढ़ाई में लग जाना है. सो लेट्स गो, लेट्स कंटिन्यू विद दिस So after finishing my lectures, I came back home from the university in the evening. I decided to go for a short refreshment walk in the park to relax and clear my mind. Once I got back, it was my time to make my evening meal, my dinner. Since I only had brunch in the afternoon, having a proper dinner is really important for me, especially when living alone. So I always try to make sure I'm getting enough nutrition and protein. So today I'm gonna, like in the evening or in the afternoon, once I'm getting my university done, so it's really time to have my Indian khana, roti or sabji. So it's really important. Tonight I'm preparing a delicious Indian cuisine which always makes me a sense of home and comfort. So let's enjoy some proper homemade Indian food to end the day. And it's really important. After this I have a lot of things to complete as my studies. So yeah, we'll enjoy my dinner. No more voiceover. Thank you. So it's finally time for dinner. I've put on my favorite show, that is Panchayat from Amazon Prime. Watching a good show while having dinner really makes me feel happy and helps enjoy the moment even more, because entire days of studying, going to uni and doing all of the chores. So after dinner I always make sure to do my post study session, that is really very important for myself. This is when I go through the tasks that I completed during the day and plan out what I need to do next. It's a small but really important part of my daily routine, and that's pretty much how a day in my life as an international student looks like. I wanted to make this video to share a real glimpse of my daily routine with my viewers, my YouTube family, and especially students who are planning to come here in the future. Thank you so much for watching this vlog till the end. I am really sorry for not being consistent lately, but I promise I'm working on it and I'll try my best to keep uploading regularly. Thank you so much for your love, support, and patience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And take care. Bye bye. Namaste.